Hello friends, family, neighbors, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making blueberry muffins. I know if you're like me, even though I'm on the keto diet and I eat healthy, I still occasionally, I'm looking for those sweets. So today the recipe will help you curb those sweet cravings. The other day I was reading in the Word in Genesis 8:22 where it says, as long as the earth remains, seed time and harvest. What that means is whatever you plant, whatever you put into life, you will reap. Whatever you sow, you will reap. So that's not only just financial, but that's also your nutrition and your foods. Whatever the seeds you put into your body, meaning your nutrition, is what you're going to reap out. If you put a bunch of bad stuff in there, you're going to reap bad stuff. If you put nutritional stuff that's good for you, you're going to reap health, wholeness, and wellness. And you're going to feel so much better. Right now we're going to go ahead and start making these wonderful blueberry muffins. We're going to go ahead and start mixing in the ingredients. What we have here is 1 cup of almond flour. Next we're going to put 2 tablespoons of baking powder, not soda but baking powder, okay, and then we're going to put 1/4 cup of erythritol. Alright, last but not least for the dry ingredients, we're going to put 1/4 tablespoon of salt in. Now before we start incorporating the liquid ingredients, we're going to go ahead and mix this to make sure this is all mixed thoroughly, so that way our batter will be more thoroughly mixed. Okay, now that that's mixed, next thing we're going to put in is 2 teaspoons of almond milk. And then next we're going to put in our vanilla extract. We're going to put 1 teaspoon in of vanilla extract. And then our 2 eggs will be next. I didn't just do that. Sometimes we're going to keep rolling because sometimes mistakes happen, you know. Second egg. Today is just not my day for the egg mixing. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly mix this together, and then we're going to slowly add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Don't do that before. Let's mix these ingredients up first. Okay, now as we're mixing, we're going to slowly add the butter in. That's pretty thoroughly mixed at the moment. Next we're going to add our blueberries in. Now these are frozen blueberries. I get the organic. These are Walmart brand, but when you're getting blueberries, make sure you get the organic and look on the back, because there's a big difference with the carbohydrates. These are only these are only 17 grams, but if you go to some of the other ones, they're like 20, 30, even 40 grams. So make sure you look at that when you purchase your blueberries. Okay, we need 2/3 of a cup of our frozen blueberries. We're not going to beat these in, we're going to fold these into our mixture slowly. Fold it into the mixture. Okay, now we're getting ready to put our batter into our muffin pans. Now this mixture that we just made actually makes 8 muffins, and I only have room for 6 here. So what we're going to do is the additional batter, we're just going to put it in here and eat it like a kind of like a blueberry cake sort of thing. You can grease these pans if you like to, but I like to use these wrappers, which is basically just parchment paper instead. It makes it easier to remove them, that you don't destroy the muffins when you remove them, and it's, you know, just easier to clean and everything all the way around. So let's go ahead and get these going here. So we're going to do a nice little scoop here, like that. Alright, just to let you know, I'm not a professional chef. This is a reminder that I do every now and then. I just eat healthy foods and live a healthy type of lifestyle. So I'm going to add just a little bit more here. Alright guys, we have everything plated here. We're getting ready to put the muffins in the oven. While I've been making the batter and stuff, the oven's been preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to place this in the center rack. We're going to leave it in there about 22 to 25 minutes. Just make sure when you stick a toothpick in the center, if it comes out and it's clean, you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get this in the oven. Okay, our muffins are out of the oven, so the next step, it can be omitted or you can add it. If you want a little bit more sweetness, you can sprinkle a little bit of erythritol on top. I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit, just sift it above here, and like that. Don't go overboard with it, just a little bit. Okay? Alright, so now comes my favorite part of every episode, the taste test. Let's go ahead and get in here and see how this tastes. That is delicious. Alright guys, so if you would, try this recipe for yourself, and if you want to send us some pictures or video, go to our website at www.practicalhealingfoods.com, and there you can send us your pictures and all that stuff, or if you want to go to our Facebook page, you can as well, and that's at practicalhealingfoods.com as well. The links are in the description below. As always, we want to say thank you for checking out this video, and have a great one. Bye.